Delayed Tahaya are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Warm welcome to Binam Girmay, winner of the green jersey. Seminar for members of 37th round of the National Service. North Korea's Kim Jong-un oversees transfer of the missile launchers to border. Philippines-Vietnam held first ever joint Coast Guard exercises. On our local news, the winner of the green jersey at the Tour de France 2024 Eritrean professional cyclist Binam Girmay, member of the Intermarché Wanty team, received a warm welcome from thousands of Asmara residents lining the streets. The welcoming ceremony began at Asmara International Airport, where Binam, accompanied by officials from the Commission of Culture and Sports, numerous cyclists and fans, made their way through the street of Asmara to Bahti Maskaram Square. The ceremony at Bahti Maskaram Square, attended by senior government and PFDJ officials, members of diplomatic community, and numerous nationals, featured cultural and artistic performances. Earlier in the morning, President Isaias Afwerki welcomed Binam Girmay at his office in Adahalo. President Isaias conveyed a warm message of congratulations to Binam's family and the Eritrean people on his historic victory at the Tour de France 2024. He emphasized that Binam is indeed a pride for his nation and people, and that his unprecedented achievements will inspire other athletes to overcome all barriers and achieve more glories in the years to come. As a gesture of the gratitude to the people and the government of Eritrea, Binam Girmay presented President Isaias Afwerki with the green jersey he won at the Tour de France 2024. The ceremony was attended by Ambassador Zameda Tahle, Commissioner of Culture and Sports, members of the Cycling Federation of the Eritrea, veteran cyclists, and Binam Girmay's family. Binam stated that the secret to his victory was strong effort and self-confidence, and he acknowledged that the influence of the veteran Eritrean cyclists who have achieved great success on the international stage significantly contributed to his achievements. Binam Girmay arrived at Asmara International Airport in the late evening hours of yesterday. Colonel Dewasai Gede, commander of the National Service Training Center, conducted a seminar for members of 37th round of the National Service who recently arrived in Sawa to pursue their 12th grade education at Warsai Kaalo and High School and fulfill their national service duties. Colonel Dewasai emphasized that Sawa is a place where the youth develop their academic education, national and citizenship outlook, and physical and psychological development. He urged the members of the National Service to take advantage of the opportunities provided at the center and to secure their future. Lieutenant Colonel Temisgen Samuel, Deputy Commander of the Center, expressed his expectation that during their stay in Sawa, the members of the National Service will enhance their national awareness, develop unity and love among themselves, and become competitive students who look forward to a bright future. The members of 37th Round National Service, acknowledging the special attention the government and the people are providing them, and expressed their readiness to both psychological and physical to successfully complete their high school education and the national service duties. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has proceeded over a ceremony to mark the delivery of 250 new tactical ballistic missile launchers to military units at the border. State media KCNA shared image of Pyongyang's ceremony, which took place after dark on Sunday, showing camouflage-colored launcher trucks line up to floodlit square decked out with flags. Soldiers stood in formation of the event, which included a fireworks display. Addressing the crowds, Kim described the launchers as an updated tactical attack weapon that he had personally designed. North Korea has been expanding its range of mobile, short-range weapons designed to overwhelm missile defenses in neighboring South Korea, while also developing intercontinental missiles designed to reach the continental United States. On the last news, the Philippines and Vietnam will kick off their first ever joint Coast Guard exercise in Manila Bay this week, in line with the commitment by both countries to boost maritime cooperation. The August 9th drill in the first between the Southeast Asian nations, which have competing claims over some parts of the South China Sea and have had a run-ins with China's Coast Guard in the disputed waterway. During a state visit to Hanoi by Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in January, Manila and Vietnam signed 2 agreements to boost cooperation between their coast guards and to prevent untoward incidents in the South China Sea. According to further reports, Vietnam's 19-meter ship CSB 8002 arrived at the port of Manila on Monday for a 5-day port call. It will carry out training exercises with the Philippines' 83-meter offshore patrol vessel. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Warm welcome to Binam Gurmai, winner of the green jersey. Seminar of members of 37th round of the National Service. North Korea's Kim Jong-un oversees transfer of missile launchers to border. And Philippines and Vietnam will hold first ever joint Coast Guard exercises. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.